Alright, so cool. Welcome back to the channel. It is another sucker-free day. It is your man, Bird. If you are new, welcome to Sucker-Free RV, where we chronicle RV life, trips and tips, and all of that good stuff. Today, we're going to be looking at Holbrook Recreational Facility at Fort Stewart. So I just got off from work and the sun is going down, but I think we got enough to make it happen out here. It's a really nice nice campground, nice military campground. Again, not a lot going on as far as amenities go, but it definitely has everything you need to come out here and have a good time. It's right on the lake. We're going to show you all that kind of stuff. So we're just coming in right now. That building on the right, we just passed there, is where you would go to check in during regular hours. After hours, they have a camp host out here that'll take care of all that for you. Got right here, little dog park area there to the right. Nice area, nice big area for your dog. But I kind of like how this thing opens up. This road is kind of, I don't know, it seemed like a narrow road to me to be pulling a camper. You just kind of see what we're talking about, but we're coming up into the lake area right now. Got somebody out there fishing and all. Well, yeah, when you pull up in here, you got water on one side and trees on the other side. You coming through here with a nice sized camper. This thing gets a little sketch. There's only one way in and one way out of back here, so you had to pay attention, you know, give somebody the right of way. But yeah, look at this deal right here. Excuse that sun shining in. Like I said, the sun's going down and got us on that side out there, but we wanted to get this campground for you guys. So yeah, we're coming in. The sun is about to get even worse unless it hides behind that tree. We're gonna see what we get. It looks like we're gonna be going right into the sun until we get into the campground itself. So we'll pull up here. That's the way out. And we're gonna turn in here in just a second. Got it right there. Holbrook Pond Campground. Got the sign right there. We're gonna pull in. That's probably a camp host right there on the end. I don't want to stop there and talk to Buddy, so we're gonna keep on rolling. Come in and go to right here. I'm sure they had 20 or 30 sites out here. Maybe a little more. Bathhouse. This one has a laundry area out here, that's pretty good. The other one we checked out at Hunter Army Airfield here in Savannah just had the sites. It didn't have any facilities out there, bathhouse or whatever. So we're just gonna do our normal drive through here, and we're gonna hop out, check out one of these sites. It looks like they have, you know, I'm pretty sure they have, like I said, we're gonna get out. We got a lot of empty ones in here too. Let's see. We're gonna pull up right here and check out site 8. That's site 10 over there, but we're gonna check out site 8. We had a little technical difficulties there. Had to get my camera and stuff together. So let's see what we get. This looks like you got water. I don't see any sewer out here. You got water. You got 50 amp and 30 amp. Got some 20 amp up under there too. Look around this campsite here. I'm pretty sure. That's weird. It normally would be full hookups, but picnic table, fire pit, grill. Where is this? Let's see what we got going on over here. Let's see what's happening down here for you. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Nobody's been up in here in a while, I guess. There's the sewer. So full hookup sites, 50 amp, 30 amp. This is site 8. We're gonna run over here and look at site 10. Let's see, let's get it. Site 10 right there. Fire ring, picnic table, grill, same thing. Sewer. Let's see what we got. 50, 30, and 20. Full hookup site. Pretty long. I don't know if I probably could get in here or hang over a little bit. That's I don't know, 25, 30 feet. Possible right there where you would back in, or right here, and you got a little pad out there that you can chill out on. That's good action too. So this is site 10. We always like to show a couple of these deals when we're making these videos. But yeah, that's a nice little setup right here. There's a truck. Gonna keep on going through here. Nice little wooded area. Check my Verizon. See what the service is out here. I have 1 bar out here. I don't know how good that's gonna be for streaming and all that kind of stuff. If you out here, it is not looking good. Maybe they have Wi-Fi. Hopefully they have Wi-Fi here. But there's a lot of empty sites out here. A lot. To give you guys an idea of what we're working with out here. A lot of empty sites. More empty sites than I thought, to be honest. A lot of empties. But you can get anything in here. You see you got fifth wheel right there, toy hauler. You sitting in the cut right there. Air streams. Got pool behind, got travel trailers, got 2 Outbacks out here. Outback makes a good trailer. I like them. We was actually looking at those before we bought our Puma. Like the Outback, that 340 BH. That's well, not a. I was looking at a BH. I'm not gonna lie, bunkhouse, but you know my kids almost grown and out the house, so I don't need that anymore. But Outback makes a great trailer. But yeah, everything can get in here. These are pull through sites here to the right. You can just pull in. Be good to go. Dump station. It's another pull through site right there. They have a dump station right here to your right. So you can dump before you get up out of here. It's a nice deal. It's funny how you always get people look at you funny when you're making videos. I mean, I guess I would do that too. If I saw some random joker riding through here. I mean, I don't think they know what I'm doing, but actually, I don't think they know, what did I say? I don't think they know, yeah, they don't know what I'm doing. So, but you get the weird look. They have the little security codes on the door, so we won't be going to check out any bathrooms or anything like that, which is fair. We're just gonna ride through it again, just in case you missed anything. That is nice. They got, let's say 20, 30 sites out here. It doesn't look like a lot of, actual military people. Sometimes they live in these things when they PCS or when they're waiting on housing or whatever. They just kind of live in here. So, but it doesn't look like you have many of them. All these people kind of looks like people that's just here to visit. Except for Buddy right here. I don't know what's going on with my guy right here. I don't know, man. I know he can't live like that. He got his stuff wrapped up. I don't know. Still hooked up to water and stuff. Maybe. So what's going on with Buddy? Yeah, he's not there. Maybe he took a trip. A lot of empty sites though. This is great. Haven't stayed here. Well, we might come out here like a little weekend deal. Let me check my signal again. 1 bar. Looks like we're gonna have to bring movers out here because it's not looking good for the home team. Not looking good for the home team at all out here. Nice campground though. These pull through. I think I would kind of want to be back in these woods, but these pull throughs are all right too. Yeah, we're gonna go out here and check out the lake. This thing sits on a lake. We're gonna go out here and check it out. Get the whole deal going on out here. They got tent camping out here too. I think that's out there to the right over there. The tent campers can get up out here. We're gonna see. They got somewhere for me to park out here. I wanna get out there to this lake. See what we got going. Here. Right here, again, alligators. I don't know what's going on with that. We're gonna see what's going on out here. Always like the end on the little pier deal. It's got a little lake and a pier out here. Campground action. Truck sitting over there. Yeah, I think we got in here right at the right time, right as the sun is setting. On the other side of this deal, there's more, stuff for the kids, little pavilions or whatever. They got a lake out here. You can fish, really enjoy nature out here. So we'd like to thank you for hanging out with us, checking us out. Little video here at Holbrook. We're gonna be out here. We're gonna come check this out. This is just a little quick weekend getaway campground for us. So this is where we are. But if you're passing through Savannah, military or government employee, just stop off, stay here, and enjoy this and keep it going on down the road. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We want you here. We need you here. We love having you. So stick with us. We're gonna be following and we're gonna be doing more of these. Hey, so you enjoyed the video, you like content like this, give us a like, leave a comment down there. We like talking to you guys down in the comments. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you like content like this. Appreciate you guys sticking around to the end of the video. And remember to stay sucker free. We'll see you in the next one.